A journey through the world's most luxurious and innovative mobile homes. Mobile homes have evolved far beyond simple camper trailers or RVs. They now encompass groundbreaking designs and state-of-the-art technologies that redefine mobile living. Whether tailored for adventurers, luxury seekers, or eco-conscious travelers, these homes on wheels offer an unmatched combination of comfort, style, and practicality. Timbercraft Big Sky. The Timbercraft Big Sky brings rustic charm to the world of mobile living. This 399-square-foot tiny home showcases Western Montana-inspired architecture, featuring cedar siding, black-clad windows, and a shed-style roof. Inside, shiplap walls, stained tongue-and-groove ceilings, and hardwood floors enhance the cozy aesthetic. The galley kitchen includes stainless steel appliances and granite countertops, while the bathroom is equipped with a sink, shower, and toilet. The living area boasts a fireplace and comfortable seating. Starting at $50,000, the Big Sky is a testament to how tiny homes can combine tradition with modern functionality. CMC Alona. With its sleek design and Italian craftsmanship, the CMC Alona reimagines motorhome luxury. Its standout feature is the slide-out section that creates an expansive interior. The kitchen boasts granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, complementing the cozy bedroom with its queen-sized bed. The bathroom is equipped with a separate shower and toilet, making it ideal for long-term travel. This premium motorhome, priced at approximately $300,000, is perfect for those seeking a home-like experience on the road. Truck Surf Hotel. A haven for adventurers, the Truck Surf Hotel offers a unique travel experience. This two-story motorhome is built on a Mercedes Actros chassis, transforming into a cozy mobile retreat. It accommodates up to 10 guests in 4 double rooms and 1 single room. With a fully equipped kitchen, a shared bathroom, a rooftop terrace, and a living area, this vehicle is tailored for group travel. Though unavailable for purchase, the Truck Surf Hotel provides surfers and thrill seekers with an unforgettable journey along scenic coastal routes. Maxis 590 Villa Edition. Imagine a mobile home that transforms into a 2-story luxury villa. The Maxis 590 Villa Edition, developed by SAIC Motor, turns this dream into reality. The lower level spans 215 square feet and includes a living room, kitchen, bar, and bathroom, while an elevator provides access to a 133-square-foot upper-level sunroom. Additional features include an external cooking area, LED lighting, a JBL sound system, and solar-powered air conditioning. Priced at $413,000 in China, this RV exemplifies innovation in mobile luxury. Rover SX. Designed for off-road enthusiasts, the Rover SX combines rugged durability with opulent interiors. Built on a Chevrolet Silverado 6500 HD chassis, this expedition vehicle features a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8 engine, delivering 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque. Inside, the SX offers a spacious kitchen, a dinette, 2 bedrooms, and a fully equipped bathroom. Priced at $1,145,000, it is the epitome of luxurious adventure, enabling travelers to explore even the most remote terrains. Vario Signature 1200. Luxury takes a monumental form in the Vario Signature 1200. This 12-meter-long motorhome, built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, features an integrated car garage capable of housing a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. Inside, the motorhome is designed for 6 occupants, featuring a queen-sized bed, wardrobe, fully equipped kitchen, and a bathroom. At $922,000, the Signature 1200 offers a blend of opulence and engineering excellence. Pogo Grande S1. Compact and eco-friendly, the Pogo Grande S1 redefines modular living. Expanding from 140 to 364 square feet in just 15 minutes, it includes a kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and living area. Constructed from high-tensile steel and insulated with polyurethane, it provides durability and energy efficiency. With solar power capabilities and a starting price of $85,000, the Grande S1 caters to those prioritizing flexibility and sustainability in mobile living. STX Volvo FH540 horse truck. Combining luxury with functionality, the STX Volvo FH540 is a high-end solution for transporting horses. It accommodates 4 to 9 horses with features such as rubber flooring, skylights, cooling fans, and surveillance cameras. The living area rivals luxury apartments with a dining space, bathroom, air conditioning, satellite TV, and kitchen facilities. The STX Volvo FH540 is not just a horse truck, but a symbol of elegant utility. Houseboat Classic 180. The Houseboat Classic 180 offers a floating alternative to mobile living. With a spacious 450 square meter layout, it includes a living room with panoramic water views, a fully equipped kitchen, comfortable bedrooms, and an outdoor terrace. This luxurious floating home, priced at $643,000, is designed for those seeking a tranquil aquatic lifestyle. Cortez 17 Camper. The Cortez 17 combines lightweight portability with robust construction. Made from fiberglass and resin, this travel trailer weighs only 2,680 pounds, making it easy to tow. It features a galley kitchen, a small bathroom, and sleeping accommodations for 2. Starting at $45,988, the Cortez 17 is ideal for minimalist travelers who value durability and simplicity. Mars 15 Premium Hybrid Caravan. The Mars 15 Premium Hybrid Caravan blends the compact nature of a trailer with the luxury of a caravan. It features a dining area, queen-sized bed, kitchen, and bathroom. Advanced technologies, including a 400-watt solar panel and lithium battery system, make it perfect for family adventures. Priced at $49,000, it is a versatile solution for modern travelers. Microhouse. The Microhouse is an ultra-compact home equipped with advanced technologies. Starting at $60,000, this high-tech dwelling features solar panels, a kitchen, bathroom, sleeping loft, and living area. Its sustainable design makes it an eco-friendly choice for those seeking mobility without compromising on modern amenities. From off-road behemoths to floating homes and modular innovations, these mobile dwellings redefine the art of traveling in comfort and style. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a luxury enthusiast, or a minimalist, there's a mobile home tailored to your lifestyle.